How far? Like right here?
Yeah.
Wow! Good job! You take it out? A little more?
A little more.
A little bit more?
Huh?
You're doing really good.
One swing.
Let me see. Lift that baby up. Good job, Bella. We're gonna go burn that?
Yep.
Hi, girl. You brought me something? Try not to hit the car.
Daddy, I got the whole tree.
Yeah, a beaver went crazy on it. About half of it under, right in the middle, set it on top. No. Walk by, and then come walk straight this way. Straight this way. And then put the fire.
Good job, Bella.
There you go. Now that will take a little bit longer. It's green yet.
Yeah.
And it will still burn.
Are you tired?
Yes.
Hey, babe. How did it feel? Good?
Yes, I'm tired.
And tiring? Taking a break now? You tired? Yeah? Was it fun though?
Yeah.
Did it feel good?
Roar.
Roar.
Fail.
Oh boy. So yeah, we're out here cooking. What are we cooking, honey?
Just potatoes so far.
So potatoes, and what we got over here? We got some Oh,
Steaks.
this looks good. I put pork chops in here. We got it marinating in this bag. What does it say? Smoky mesquite?
Mm-hmm.
Is that how I read that?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll see. We'll see. Look at that. You can see it? We're going to be putting that on the fire here in a bit.
How long it's been in there?
It's been in there for,
24 hours.
yeah, I put it in there yesterday or the day before, didn't I?
Why are you cold?
Why am I cold? What's the temp out here? It's cold.
I don't know, like 7?
Like 7? Yeah. No, we have to literally gear up. Hats, gloves. I don't have gloves on because I'm cooking. Snow pants, winter boots. It's cold. So why are we cooking out here?
Because it's fun.
Because it's fun. You see that right there? There's ovens and stovetops up there.
Mm-hmm.
No?
That's good. That's nice.
Yeah.
This
But we
one's already
choose
on.
to be out here.
This one's already on.
That's true. This one's on. And it's warm by the fire.
You hold this, I gotta flip that.
Okay, that's it. All right. We got potatoes in there, potatoes and onions.
Ah, my eyebrows.
Hello. You want your brows done? Just come a little closer. No need to wax, right? No plucking, no waxing. And then we're gonna put what? The pork chops right there. Yeah, we're loving this. It tastes so good, so different than cooking it on a, in the oven on a stove or whatnot. Oh, smoke is following me.
Actually, it's just going that way.
You saying I'm just walking through it? Ah, call me out like that. Come on now. Look at that fire. Looks so nice. It's nice and toasty here. You look like you're working, like you're off to work. I can't see you when you look at me. It's so bright. Yeah. You got lime green on. I see you.
Reflectors.
Mm-hmm.
That's So no, when
Got your lights on?
When run through here, they don't hit me. They go around.
Right? Bella was so proud of herself for cutting up this skinny little tree here.
This one right here.
Yeah.
Finally burning down.
There. She worked hard on it. She was proud of herself.
Yeah, she's gonna sleep good tonight.
Yeah.
She's not used to this activity.
This physical labor here. Oh, it's nice out here. There's no wind. Maybe that's why it's so cold.
Yep. There's a little bit of wind. It looks like a north wind. West wind.
Looking at the smoke.
Yeah. Not very much at all, if any.
Oh, yeah. We got the lights on the wrong side here. The lights on the other side.
Look, the bathroom light's on now.
Which one? Where's the bathroom at?
Right there.
Oh, like up above? Okay.
Yeah, you should have had your camera out when I was in there putting that sound card in.
No, I was cold.
You were cold. You were inside.
Exactly.
I was outside the whole time.
There's a reason I was inside. It was way colder this morning. What does it feel like? Negative 20 something? I'm not ready for that yet.
What, last night?
No, when you were up here. Like it was freezing.
Oh, well, I don't know. -1, 2. Not bad. Oh.
Nope, prepping that.
That's the big open.
Where the zipper is? Gosh, I'm gonna trip on something here. Ooh.
Ew.
Does it look good? Let me see.
Come on. Yeah.
Did it freeze? We should have kept it inside the house until we were gonna cook it.
Well, they were froze.
Were they?
Yep.
Whoops. It's kind of cold out here.
Yeah, these been outside for like, what, 2 hours and they're froze together?
I think that's a sign like, why are you out here? It's okay.
Let me tell you, from
Live life,
members
right?
back overseas see this. Oh no, I got barbecue sauce on my favorite jacket.
It's okay, lick it off. Look at that sauce. Save it. Yep, to pour some on a bit later.
Yep.
How can we tell if it's cooked? I can't see a thing. Oh, there we go.
You want to wear a headlamp?
No.
I think I'll turn temperature up.
How do you turn the temperature up?
Put a half burnt log underneath there.
Do you twist these ones?
What?
The potatoes?
Yeah, I've twisted them multiple times.
Okay. Twist and flip and all kind of somersault. What else?
Then if you need to turn the temperature up on those ones, you got this one. And you put it right there.
Oh, okay. There we go. Now get it kind of even, right?
Right. Now this, well, no. Hey, you go away. I do go through a lot of gloves when I do this.
Yeah. We know what to get you for Christmas.
Alright, I'm already on my second pair for this month. Oh.
Maybe we need to get them rubber ones. But that's just for holding hot stuff though. It's not for like
Yeah,
burning.
why would you? I can't get rubber going on. Are you silly?
Just a tip.
Stop it. There we go. Oh, I'll shrink my finger.
You okay?
No, I
You got holes?
Barbecue sauce in my favorite jacket.
Oh no. The deer's gonna sniff you out.
Deer? Barbecue sauce?
No? Wrong animal. The wolf?
Maybe. I know all of like this stuff. Can you believe it's only like 5:30?
Is it 5:30?
5:38 to be exact.
And it's so dark. Yep. Well, this is dinner. We're cooking dinner, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's winter time. It gets dark so fast.
Is your fingers getting cold yet?
No, I'm okay. It's warm here, but ugh. This looks good. Is it hard?
There's a bone in there.
Oh, I thought it was frozen.
It should be. It sat in the fridge for like 2 days.
Mm-hmm. But it was without here. Beautiful
Well, get more on my eyebrows again.
And yeah. Potatoes takes so long to cook. Is there a quicker way to cook potatoes? Thinner slice?
Microwave.
No, that's not the same. The microwave might as well cook in there. That's okay. By the time the meat's done, potatoes should be good.
Should be.
So that's always the first thing to put in is the potatoes.
Yeah. How's the green bean casserole coming in?
Good. Good. It's done. Just staying warm. Talking about it, I should go check it. I'm gonna go warm it. At least it's gonna cook.
Yeah, look like a bear's.
Ooh. Just more meat. See, the light's on this side. Who needs it on the other side? Outside fridge. Let's go. Yep, here we go. Whoop, can't see that. Casserole going on and inside here.
Go away. Go away.
I feel like I'm gonna trip on something. Doesn't it feel like it's like 10 o'clock or something?
It's midnight. Feels like midnight when you're old like me. Oh, I broke my knee pad again. You think we ever get big on YouTube? I get sponsored by Gloves Company.
Somebody sent us gloves.
Fire retardant gloves. Or resistant or something. Hey, stop that.
What are you talking to?
Huh?
What are you talking to?
Right there, that fire. It's flaring up.
Oh, burning the fat from the meat.
No, it's because I stirred it. And Got some new coals going.
Just listen to it. It sounds yummy.
That was yours. Still pretty juicy. Clear juice coming out. Doesn't that mean when it's done?
I think so. As long as it's not red juice coming out. Well, your mom like her extra done.
Yeah, Mom likes it shot, grilled, shot again, and grilled again.
Smells really good.
I can't smell. My nose just got runny. I think I burnt some nose hairs.
Get some lights on there.
Say those for me.
And cold.
Oh,
Taste it.
taste it.
I'll taste it. Can I cook? I think it looks good. What do you think?
There's a little bit of paint
Red?
in there.
Okay.
What?
Mm-hmm. Hot.
Grab the tongues.
Look at that. You see it smoking?
Mm-hmm.
Do you? Mmm. It's really good. It's so moist though. Mm-hmm. I know.
Smell the barbecue sauce.
Try it.
I have a fork in one hand, gloves in the other.
You got this thing?
Tongues.
Tongs.
Watch it.
Pretty good, huh?
The flavor's definitely there.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
It's falling apart?
I burnt it.
Uh-oh. It's blackened. I think it's a thing. I think chef call it a thing. Ah, smoke. I'll rotate this. I think I'm gonna trip on these branches here. Not sticking out there. That was delicious.
Should I go get a knife and then cut one of those in half? See if it's done?
The one we ate was done.
What do you think about potatoes?
Good thing done a little longer. The meat, I know mine, I feel like it's really strong. some light on here. Can we just go like this? Oh. Do we go by the bone to check?
No, we check by the ashes.
I think it's done. It's juicy.
Okay.
Maybe just take it out a little longer. Some of these, you know? Ooh, blackened. I know these parts are done. Ooh, hot. Hot.
Yeah, I've been dealing with it the whole
Ooh,
time.
hot.
Where's your gloves?
Hot. 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 I think they're done. They're black. You just did this, didn't you? Yep. I'm going to throw it into the fire. Oh, there's a little bit in there. Oh. Hot. Okay, look at these out.
Should I bring them inside?
Yeah, I can bring this inside. Should we cook Mom's a little? No, they're all black. You're
She
good.
will eat it and she will like it.
Oh, hot. Ooh, hot. Ooh, hot. Okay, okay.
Like you see this long one?
Mm-hmm.
That's a white oak. That's a white oak. That's a white oak. Takes a very long time. These ones here are aspens. These have been dead for probably 2 years.
Uh-huh. So we got white oak surrounding the aspen. Which one burned hot? The aspen?
White oak.
The white oak? The aspen's just for
has
flame?
Very, almost none burning BTUs. White oak has a lot. Tamarack has the most. See, I like to use the oak for this purpose.
Yeah.
Put the grate on there.
Nice, yeah.
And then when the aspen falls with the coals, then I rake it underneath there and I have that big crevice fill up the coals.
Mm-hmm. That's how we cook right there. Coals. Make coal first. So nice and warm here.
Cook on coals, not fire.
Mm-hmm.
Unless you want a flame kiss, then you throw it on the fire.
Or blackened.
You like that word too. Blackened.
I hear it on TV. And that's just an excuse if you accidentally burn something? Oh, it's just blackened.
Presentation of food I've never been good at, but flavor, awesome.
Mm-hmm. Good hands.
So I could never work in a 5-star restaurant, or a 2-star, or a 1-star.
You could work somewhere like a grill place.
Yeah.
That'd be nice. I just love the flavor of anything cooked outside. Anything grilled. Anything smoked. It just gives that umami taste, you know? That flavor.
Ooh, what?
Umami. It's like, mmm. You know? My phone light is brighter than your headlamp, isn't it?
Yep. And yours is dead faster than mine.
Yep.
Oh, excuse me.
burning. Oh no, they're all burning.
I think it might be the grease on there. I think the grease on there is finally burning off.
Yeah.
Hope so, anyways. Yeah, they're not on fire. Okay.
That one's gonna get burnt in the inside.
Butter? Where did you put it in? Or just potatoes?
Yeah, potato, onions, butter, garlic powder, and that salt seasoned stuff. Think it's done?
I don't know.
And check them.
Putting something very hot on glass that's been outside for many hours is probably not a good idea.
No, you put it down there. I extra wrap this one. Well, extra wrap all of them, but just these batch.
Holy cow. A lot of layers going on here.
Well, because every time we do it, it always, you know, come apart. Look at that. Ooh, I smell onions. Smells good. It looks done. Does it look done?
Why do I always do that?
I don't know. See them must smoke.
Above my tongue. They are done.
They're done? Good?
Mhm.
All right. Okay, let's bring them inside the house. What are we going to put them on? We're going to put them on glass. Should I put snow in the glass first? Cool them down.
They'll be fine in there. I'll be around to the house because I did that with the other ones.
Yeah, that's true.
I'll just tell the viewers not to do it. Yeah, everything I do, don't do it. Oh.
All right, now we're going to go eat.